Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
QRPal review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called QRPal. So this is the QRPal review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 1 minute and 22 seconds long. So we will start with the demo video. So you can see you are logged in, and by the way this demo video is only like 90 seconds long, so you can see what's happening. There's no buddy talking in the video, so there's only a background music, so I should be staying quiet in this video too while the demo is running, or I'll see if I can shut up. So you can create your QR codes using the software, and you can also have your logo as well, I guess, and you can also create some barcodes. Okay. All right, you can download it, right? You can see here, and you can share it on your social media. Okay, cool. That's your QR code. And then next thing is going to be barcode. Ta-da! It's not done yet. That's your barcode. Okay, so you're gonna generate barcode, 2D barcodes, and some QR codes. What is the full form of QR in the codes? Anybody knows QR? Why do we call them QR codes? I have to go and search in Google actually. We keep calling QR code, QR code, QR code. Does anybody know what's the full form of QR code? I don't. I have to go and find. Oh, demo is done, man. Demo is done, right? So let's come out of the demo. So you have seen the product, right? We are done. Demo is done. You have understood everything. Let's get back to the sales page where it says start your own QR building agency with the world's easiest and fastest QR builder. How many of you know the full form of QR? I don't. I accept. First to market fully AI powered app creates attention grabbing QR codes for all your marketing needs such as app downloads. Okay. And supercharge your leads, traffic, and sales by 10 times. How? Built-in QR code job finder. Oh, so you have to go and find the job, I guess, on Upwork and Fiverr. So if somebody comes and asks you to create the QR code for them, then you can use this software to fulfill those freelancing jobs. Fine. Instantly finds the list of businesses and websites without QR code system and lets you sell eye-catching QR code in no time. No designing or coding skills needed, no tech skills needed, 100% beginner friendly. Cool. Only if you can find people who will buy your services. Okay. So as you might have seen in the thumbnail that everything is free. Everything can be done for free from the internet. I'll show you, and make sure you watch the video till the end. So technically I'm not against this product. I could say that, you know, go and buy, and this will help you with something. I have not even applied for my links. Maybe I will go and get my links later on. But the point being, all of this can be done from Google for free. But still, it's entirely up to you. If you want to maybe buy this, then go and buy this, okay, at your own risk. I'll leave the link. Build attention-grabbing QR codes for your marketing needs in less than 60 seconds. Create stunning QR codes for websites, URLs, app downloads, file transfers, and more. Craft jaw-dropping QR codes in more than 100 plus different categories. 100,000 plus successful QR codes have been generated. It's a lie. It's a lie. This software has been launched only a couple of hours ago. Customize the QR codes as per your needs. Change colors, add logos. You have seen that in the demo. Download the QR code in a high resolution in different file formats such as PNG, JPG, PDF, etc. Create attractive QR codes for your business. Receive limitless commissions and sales by crafting scan and pay QR codes. If you are running a business, then only. Generate easy scannable QR codes. Well, QR codes are scannable. And the QR codes mean that you have to scan them. To send emails, make phone calls, and video calls. That's something new. Can we make phone calls or send emails by scanning QR codes? I haven't tried that technology as of now. So yeah, I don't know. Start your very own QR code making agency and charge your customers anything you like. Okay. Help businesses to boost their leads, traffic, and sales with QR code marketing. No designing or coding skills required. 100% user friendly and easy to use dashboard. Ironclad 30-day money back guarantee. So you have seen their case, and if you want to buy, then go and buy. Okay. But if you come on Google and type in here, create QR code online for free and search. First website, QR code generator. Second website, qrcodegenerator.com. So let's see if they can help us. Of course they can. Enter your URL, www.joogly.com. Joogle.com, right? Great. So what do we do now? Not valid link, because we have to satisfy them with HTTP. That's a valid link. You see, don't mess around with me. So what else? You can create QR code for URL, for contact, PDF, this and that. And this is a free website from Google search. This is the second website. Drop your website URL here, create the code. So all I'm saying is, if you play around and you just go on Google, search for things, you can generate QR codes for free and create maybe barcode. The second thing was barcode. Barcode online free. You see? There you go. Barcodes, inc.com, barcode tech. There are a lot of free websites. You got my point or not? Let's close them. So the point being is, why would you pay $17 to something which can be done for free? And then they have some OTOs as well. So these are the OTOs, as you can see. Okay. So again, I'm not sure what to do here. I have shown you that it can be done for free. So I am not going to get sales for this product anyway. Am I going to get sales? Okay. If you want to make me some money, then maybe let me think. Or what do I do? Oh, let's check the sales page first. Let's see if they're promising you some money here or not. So these are fake testimonials, by the way. They're fake faces, profit step 1, 2, 3, and QR codes and all that. And then what do we have? The money screenshot. This is a fake money screenshot. This should not have been on this page, okay? Because this money which you see here, they made this money by selling you these kind of products, okay? Not by generating QR codes for somebody else. So let's get to the bottom and get done with the sales page so that we can draw a conclusion. We have seen the demo video already. I like yellow. How many times I tell you? Okay, so these are the freelancers who make money by generating QR codes. It's a very it's not that cheap, it's not that costly service which you can sell. So you can start somewhere from $20, charge $30-40, that's max. Okay, otherwise, if people know how to do it for free, why would somebody pay you even $5? Just right now you have seen me showing you how to do this for free using Google. Okay, so from today onwards, I guess you will create your barcodes for free by going into Google, and you don't need any freelancer or any kind of service. It's just like, I'm losing all my money here. I'm not making anything, okay, by telling you this, because I'm not some marketeer. I'm a human first. So what exactly is QRPal? It's a fully AI-powered cloud-based app that lets you create and sell unlimited QR codes. Fine. How long does it take to create QR codes? It takes seconds, I agree. What happens if I don't see results? What kind of results are you expecting? That's the question, okay? They have 30-day money back guarantee. What if I get confused along the way? They have the training video they're saying, which will be hardly 90 seconds long. Is this compatible on Mac and PC? It is. How do I lock in my discount? Why would you need a discount? If it can be done for free, go and do it for free, okay? So now let me decide if I want to apply for my links of this product or not. Will you buy from me? Will you not buy from me? I don't know. What do you think? What should I do? Should I apply? I don't think so. Let it go. Let's see. Because as I said, go into Google, type in how to create for free, and you will get everything for free. So there's no need for me to make you pay for something which you don't need, which you can do for free, okay? Even though if you want to pay me, you can have other ways. For example, you go below my video, you can click on support and contribute here, and you can pay me whatever you want if you want to. Or else you can subscribe to my channel. It's free. Subscribing is free. Liking the video is free. You can press the bell thingy, and if you want to ask any questions or leave super comments, you can click on the super thanks button. Okay, so QRPal is a software. It's fine, it's a software, but it will not make you money if you don't know how to sell your QR code selling services to some clients. Okay, and even for that you can use Google to generate everything for free. And if you're a newbie here who wants to make money online, the real money which will come into your bank account without even selling anything, then go below my video, check out these links. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Forex trading is like currency pair trading. You have these currencies in the world: Euro, USD, GBP, USD, AUD, USD, USD, CAD, and other currencies. So all we are going to do is buy currencies at low price and sell them when the price goes up. Now, if you do this manually, you will be lost. Okay, we will not be doing this manually. So you will have to go through the training first, because we will be using a software. So click on the first link here, come on this page, enter your email address, enter your name, and then click on unlock the syndicate. Go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the videos there to understand what are you going to get into. And the syndicate is around 8 hours long training right now, in which you will learn the basics of forex trading, and then you will learn how to use your virtual machine, then how to set up this terminal, how to set up the graph, how to set up the software on this graph, how to give the settings to the software and which settings, and then the software will be working on autopilot on your behalf, and it will be making profits. Okay, so everything will be explained to you inside the training. However, you will have to go through the 8 hours content, absorb the knowledge, implement, take action. If you cannot do any of that, no problem, get back here, subscribe, like, and leave. Okay, second link says here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis is all about making money on YouTube, just like me. If you want to do exactly what I am doing, you want to make money on YouTube without even selling anything, then you have to get your YouTube channel monetized. Because when you are watching my YouTube video, in this YouTube video you have seen some advertisements. These advertisements make me money whether you buy something from me or not. I have made some money from this video already. Okay, so if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you will get them within 2 weeks only, and your channel will be monetized maximum within 1 month, right? And then you can learn affiliate marketing, email marketing, and all the stuff which you are supposed to know about YouTube. So if you want to work manually just like me on YouTube, then go for Traffic Jarvis. If you want to make money on forex trading with the software, then go for the first one, Syndicate here. And both these methods will make you money with the guarantee. Nobody else can take the guarantee will you make money or not. I can take the guarantee that yes, you will make money. TNC, terms and conditions, are that you will have to work and you will have to follow the training and do exactly what you are told. If you can perform step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, you will make money. My methods does not work on assumptions. I don't talk about you might make money, you may make money, you could make money. I only talk about you will make money, given that you do everything correctly, what you are being told or taught. Okay. Anyway, so QRPal is something which you can do for free. Get it done for free from Google. You have seen the demo video, and if you want to make money online, check out these links. Okay. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.